All right, so let's talk Tropical Storm Harvey, shall we? We all know the devastation it caused over the weekend as a Category 4 storm. That's the last time it was a hurricane. It's what that little red hurricane symbol indicates. But look right now at all of the rain it is still bringing onto the Texas coastline. Houston definitely not out of the woods. And it is just not moving at this point. It's moving east-southeast, but only at 3 miles per hour. So it developed very quickly, but it's not going anywhere quickly at all. Look at some of these expected rain totals. This is what is still to come in places, not what has already fallen. Houston picked up 16 inches of rain just yesterday, and they're expected to get much more. So Houston is just kind of northwest of Galveston, maybe in that purple or blue area, which indicates upward of a foot of rain. Still, places like Port Arthur, possibly 26 inches of rain. Galveston could also pick up a foot of rain. This is by Wednesday, so we're talking 2 to 3 days still of rainfall for those areas. Some people are calling it now some of the worst flooding in American history. And when you see the video and you hear the stories, it's no surprise when you see all of what's happening down there. It really puts our weather into perspective, doesn't it? We'll just have heat today. We're seeing a few high clouds drifting in right now, so we'll call it a mix of sun and clouds for your Monday. We still have that air quality warning in place for the east central mountains, still very smoky in many places for the higher terrain, and will be hazy here in the valley. So high pressure is still really our big dominant player as far as our weather goes. That will keep us hot for the foreseeable future. Labor Day weekend is looking abnormally warm. And then we have this monsoon moisture that is going to continue to kind of creep up from the south. And as it does, you combine that with our daytime heating. Prime recipe for some thunderstorms, right? So our future cast here doesn't show a whole lot of activity, but it's just worth noting there is a chance in the central mountains, possibly in the valleys, that we could pick up a thunderstorm or two with some very gusty outflow winds. There's a chance of our cloud cover kind of coming and going throughout the evening. Tomorrow afternoon into evening, same story. We could also see some thunderstorms firing off there. We'll have a couple of clouds that'll drift in on Wednesday. And I know this looks like a pretty major system, but really this just kind of indicates the areas that could see a storm or a shower on Wednesday. It doesn't necessarily mean all of these places will, but Wednesday we will still carry through that chance of some storms. And then come Thursday, Friday, into your holiday weekend, things are looking scorching and sunny. And that's how it will be today. Maybe not so sunny, but definitely scorching. 98 for Ontario, 99 in Vail today. Kuna, you'll see 98 with hazy conditions. 99 in Mountain Home today. Up in Idaho City, very hot, 94 degrees there with a chance of some isolated storms firing off. 89 in McCall, 90 expected in Cascade this afternoon. Even places like Stanley, Sun Valley will hit the upper 80s. So tomorrow, look at this high temperature, 101 degrees expected tomorrow. 98 is a record high. So if this holds, it looks very likely that we will set a new heat record for August 29th. We're normally in the mid-80s heading into Labor Day weekend. We're nowhere near that for the entire week. In fact, by Saturday, right back up near 100.